Hi, welcome to KL. Today is 8th of August, 6:30 p.m. I'm standing at the corner of Raja Chulan and Tun Perak. Here comes the Purple Line bus because I was at Menara Well and this is the same bus that was stuck in the jam. So normally it would take about 10 minutes from Menara Well to Pasar Seni, but at this time this poor Purple Line bus would have taken at least 45 minutes to cover the journey. So I decided that I will walk from Menara Well to Pasar Seni, which only takes about 20 minutes. So what's the problem? In spite of all the LRT, MRT, Go buses, KL City is still jam and gridlock because the door-to-door convenience of using a car is still there. It is not convenient to use public transport where the door-to-door time is so long and inconvenient and hot. So let's tell our government to do something about this. For a start, create a bus lane at Raja Chulan, Tun Perak, Old Klang Road and so on. See, another Purple Line bus is just behind this one. It's not that they are bunching, but because of the traffic jam, they all been bunched together, not because of the driver's fault, but because of the traffic condition. So please circulate this video, especially to our politicians, so that they know what's happening instead of spending billions on all these fancy trains which doesn't solve the problem. Thanks and bye.